How to say Instagram password on your iPhone. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your password application in your mobile device and authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Now in the search bar, you can simply type in Instagram. And just like that, you will be able to find your account. You can simply tap onto it to view your password. You'll only be able to find it if you have saved your password inside here. Now, if you have saved your password with Google, open up Safari. In the search bar, simply search for google.com. Sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on this profile icon. Tap on Manage your Google account. Scroll below, tap on Password and Security. And you want to go ahead and tap on Password Manager. And now in search here, you need to go ahead and simply search for Instagram, and just like that, you'll be able to see your saved passcode. This only works if your password was saved previously on your device or Google account. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.